when you really have to have something that sticks. Like here I am on an outside door frame. I want to hang my doors, and I'm going to paint this here. It's very shiny enamel. So a lot of people could be tempted just to paint it in a wall colour and then maybe put a gloss over it. That's just not going to work. So what we're going to use, the one step, the Dulux one step. It's bulletproof, man. I'm telling you, it's bulletproof. You want something to stick, that's what we're going to use. Shitty old brush out of the truck. And yeah, just brush a coat on. It's going to be dry in 10 or 15 minutes. But just, you want to make sure that this stuff sticks, because this is important. This is an important area. Now don't get any over that area there, because otherwise the customers will want you to paint the outside as well. The outside is not part of the paint job. Remember that. It stops here. Don't let them talk you into doing that outside there unless you get paid for it extra. So that's why you don't make a mess, because you have to clean your mess up. Now we'll do a little scratch test on this in about 5 minutes, and you'll be just shocked just how good this stuff is to do little stuff like this. Like all my doors, all my doorways are all done in this, and I just sprayed these from all my door frames and window frames. Now there are better undercoats. This one here seems to feel a bit gluggy after a day even, so it's a bit gluggy to sand. So would I recommend it for something that you have to sand? You know, like as if it's really important? Probably not. But if you want something that's going to stick, you want it in the oil-based undercoat for sure.
Turned toward me and looked so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent for the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. You're silent for the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath